Up. Gusto kami nga. Ibabag niya na yun.
Good morning. I'm going to Manila and then New York with my family, my siblings and my mama. Uber driver. Bye-bye. Bye! So here at the lounge, waiting for my flight.
A few moments later.
So guys, delayed ang flight because nag-stop operation ng airport. Because may ashfall, may sumabog na vulkan. Anyway, 7:45 pa naman ang flight ko to New York. But ang sad part is madelay pa to. Baka hindi na ako maka-IV. So, na lang natin kapagwapaan ni cancel dyan ang flight, guys. Wala na dyan. Cancel na. Thank you, me. So now, going back again to the airport. Hopefully, okay na all flight. So, I'm in the plane now. And, yeah, swerte kay na-upgrade ako to expensive chair. Yeah, it's going to Manila with an expensive chair. Okay, mommy's sitting in the expensive chair. So, nandito ako sa clinic ngayon. IV day. Alam nyo na, basta nasa Manila ko, kailangan mag-IV para guwapa. Before tayo mag-New York, kailangan guwapa. At para pagbalik sa Cebu, guwapa. Ngayon, nandito kami sa Jing Moni Salon. Bago pumunta ng airport, magpapaganda muna kami. Kita niyo yan, guys? White hair. Kailangan tanggalin. And hi, Sir Aureo. And si Mami Sad, magpapaganda bago pumuntang airport. Papunta na kami ni Mami sa lounge. Hoping, makakasakay kami for sure. Ang tanong, kung business class ba kami makakasakay. Let's hope. Mamaya raw mako-confirm sa lounge kung business class or premium economy kami. Pero ang importante, makakasakay. Yeah, makakasakay. So, tingnan natin. Nabasa yung kilikili ko, guys. Nasa-stress ako. Kasi gusto ko makapagpahinga sa biyahe. Oh my God! Hindi binawi yung boarding pass ko. This is it! Thank you, Lord! Woo! Salamat, Lord! Salamat kayo! This is what it looks like. Sarili kang vanity mirror. And, naku, pwede ba iuwi ito? Akin na ba ito after? Oh, I'm so happy. Hi, mother. Picture siya, oh. Let's figure out kung paano ilagay yung bedsheet. Kamusta ka dyan? Nalala siya. Ito, yan na yung leg room. So, very narrow. Yung before, di ba, mas wide? Kasi parang hanggang dito siya, the whole thing. May space ka. So, it's very narrow. So, kung may kukunin ka sa suitcase, medyo wala ka talagang space. Ang maganda lang dito ngayon, mas may privacy ka. Kasi, may door. So, you can close this. And kahit open siya, hindi mo kita yung ibang pasahero. Yung sa likod, yung, diba? Yung dati kasi very open. So, mas may privacy ka. Pero, mas masikip lang talaga siya. Mas wala kang space. Choosy ka pa. So guys, hindi ko pala na-explain kanina. Kaya ako kinakabahan at tungtuwa ako. At hindi nila binawi yung ticket because yung ticket namin na ginamit namin for this flight is a non-revenue ticket. Meaning, if puno ang flight, we don't get to ride the plane or mada-downgrade kami. My dad used to work with PAL and now may benefits kami from that. So we get ID50 or ID75. That means 75 means we get 75% off no airfare. So we got the business class na 75 off. But then nga, it's a non-revenue ticket. So meaning if puno ang business class, mada-downgrade kami to kung anong merong available, premium or economy. So that's why I'm very happy kanina kasi hindi na nila pinawi. Ang pinrent nila is business class. And then sabi nila, it's either sa gate or sa lounge, mako-confirm if makasakay ako sa business class. So, kaya tontuwa ako kasi hindi na nila binawi yung boarding pass ko. So, now, yeah. Ahia Joaquin, Mommy gets to sit on the expensive chair. Mommy is very, very lucky today. So, sana na-explain ko ng maayos, guys. We're here in New York. Waiting for our sundo. Pinaikot sila kasi traffic na. So, hintay lang dito. And then we're gonna drive straight to New Jersey. Kasi doon talaga kami magsistay. Diyos ko si Brandy, ginawang Cavite yung New York. Nag-boxer short. Brandy, ano? Ba't nag-boxers ka dito? Wow! Parang taga rito ah! So, bago lang tong bahay mo?
Oo.
Gano'n ka nakatagal dito?
Mga 5 years na rin.
Tagal na din. May asawa ka na dito?
Wala pa nga eh.
Hanap ka pa.
Gana pa ako.
Ikaw lang mag-isa dito.
Ito kasama ko yung
Boy mo. Good morning. Ano oras na ngayon dito? 8:39. Good morning. Good morning. Nanonood kami ng old videos. Pero may papakita ako sa inyo. So, may kakagising. Magpinsan nga kami. Tinan niyo yung cabinet. Amazing. Pinoy na Pinoy, guys. Spaghetti chopstick. Diba? Malalaman mo talagang Pinoy pag ganyan yung bahay. Ako may ganyan din ako sa bahay, pero isang drawer lang. So, good morning, guys. So, this is the family. Everyone is here. Ikaw na naman. Ate Irene. Thank you so much. Kevin the husband. Say hi. No sleep. Diba? Akalain niyo bang mga pamangking ko yung dalawang yan? Say hi! Favorite stop. Walmart time. Buyers. Hiwa-hiwalay muna kami. Ito ang laman ng cart. Na...
Pinipili ko na,
Siri.
Up.
Gusto kami.
Ibabag niya na yun.
When jet lag hits, it's 5 a.m. in the morning. Kain na kagabi. Let's heat it up. And the oven. Jet lag. DIY
Bakit?
mirror stand.
Para ano? Para mas kita mo. Oh, kanina hirap na hirap ka.
Binaon niya pa yan. Buti pa yung salamin nakarating ng New Jersey. yung anak niya nandun sa Cavite. Sana salamin na lang kami, mami. Birthday girl, oh. Ilan taong ka na?
Gana ulo ko.
40 and available, guys.
Ano ba yan?
Pakita ka naman ng side boob dyan.
Yan!
Just kidding, downstairs.
And then I have a medium helmet for you, just let me
Mabango ba?
don't have the adjustables in the bag, if anything.
Okay na yan sa'yo.
Uwi ko to.
Tanong mo kung pwede siya mag-train sa Pilipinas.
Wala masyado marinig.
Ako meron. Ha?
Nagtama sa inyo
Ito,
bagay.
ito parang ano lang, grab driver.
Masikip brand.
Tawa kayo ng tawa. Ganyan din mukha. Hindi ko masuot. Ang bigat na ng pakiram.
Wow, it's heavy, huh?
One thing I will say,
Si Mami. Grabe. Lumabas si Mami.
Huwag ka magulo ng suotin.
here, make sure that you
Pagka na
Kasi ba mahirap?
lalabas mo yung
Let's go. Let's go, guys.
The tips of our skis are just right over here, right? So if I ever mention the tips, that's what I'm talking about. Lines on the side of our skis that help us stop and turn, right? So if I ever mention our edges, that's what I'm talking about.
Sara para-paraan din eh. Oh, yun na yung chance niya. Holding hands. Holding hands. Holding hands. Para-paraan. Para-paraan.
Step, one step,
Ba't parang mas
get to the top of the slide.
So, dito lang kami. Here. Good luck! We're at my cousin's house. Kevin preparing steak. Say hi.
Or you can get it and then microwave it.
Eileen preparing salad. Oh my god! No. This is her house.
Try without A1.
Oh yeah, it's
There you go. Yeah. You could do burger, you want the salad?
No, Kevin. Kevin baked the baked beans.
Yes, that one and that one.
Morning, guys. So, last day. I opened this. Out of carrots. I put it sa ziploc na mas gamay. Guys, feeling ako para mas mag-distribute ang weight sa box. Does it make sense? I think so. Wala. Kasi sa one big weight sa one area. Diba kasi maipit ang mga chips mo. sa weight. So, hindi butang dere para ma-distribute ang weight. Diba? So, distributed na siya ang weight. Okay. Puro chocolate. So, nasa airport kami ngayon. Kinakabahan kami. Kasi, kung makakasakay ba kami ngayon o hindi. Makakasakay, pero baka sa buntot kami. Lord, tabang again, Lord, please. It's already 10 o'clock. And baka 12:30 pa kami ma-confirm. So, baka amazing race to mamaya. So, let's hope. Naman yung box ko. Box ko yung pinakamaganda yung pagkakatigil. Alam mong ni-recycle yung box. Mo nakalagay, basement. Ito pa yung pang pick up ng wheelchair. Baka ma-pick up tayo.
Hindi ako. Tagal ko ng pangarap pick up eh.
Guys, this is it guys. Makaka-uwi tayo guys. Salawat Lord, Stabak Lord. This is it guys.
Mga OFW. Mga Pinas.
Let's go. Welcome back. Wow.
OFW.
Oh, we're back. Kala mong tagal na wala. At least nakauwi. Akala namin hindi kami makakasakay. Welcome home. Iyak ako. Kuya! Hindi na kaya. Napinaya ang puyat. Mamaya na yan. Mamaya ka na matulog.